Just got Ellis over from the UK, my son. He's been here for the best part of this week, and we decided to take a little trip over to Karlovy Vary, which is a city towards the east of the Czech Republic, and famous for the International Film Festival, amongst other things. It's quite a nice spa town, so we'll see you there. And we've just arrived in Karlovy Vary now, so we're going to walk down the valley from the end that we're at the moment, right down to the Grand Hotel Pupp, which you may recognise from some films, but we'll explain a bit more about that later on. This is a famous kind of dessert, sort of biscuity thing, which is local to this area. Approaching one of the many thermal spa places where you can get your water. Apparently it doesn't taste very nice. A little bandstand, or it looks like one anyway. Lots of nice restaurants, hotels around here. And it's also home to a very famous Czech drink called Becherofa. Probably pronounced that wrong. There we go. nice facades along the various buildings there. It does have a lot of hotels, like I've said, and it tends to get booked up quite a lot in advance, especially during the film festival season. There's been a lot of very famous people. Every year they have some major stars who come. Johnny Depp's been here quite a few times. I think that Michael Caine recently. Also Ewan McGregor. They normally have about 3 or 4 different sort of like major film superstars every year for the festival. We're nearly at the end of the little valley in Karlovy Vary. You can see we've come down all that way. Now just approaching the Grand Hotel Pupp. It's quite a famous hotel, been used in many films, and a lot of the stars stay here when they come for the film festival. Most famously, I think one scene that was filmed here was in Daniel Craig in Casino Royale, and what they did was they pretended that this hotel was actually in Monaco, which it wasn't, and it was this place here where I think he was poisoned or something. He has to inject himself with something to come back to life. Anyway, that was filmed here. Oh, just an interesting little fact. This expensive watch manufacturer, it's called Robot because the word robot originally came from the Czech Republic. Okay, so this is all the Grand Hotel Pupp. It goes right back there, around here. up there, and around the corner is that entrance courtyard where we've just been. So it's pretty huge. Okay, just outside this hotel, and there's some pictures of famous celebrities who stayed here. I mean, to be honest, it doesn't look one of the best ones, but let's just see. Michael Douglas, Robert De Niro, and Willem Dafoe. This is the Opera House. So we've just had a good look round Karlovy Vary. Been to quite a few places. It's a very interesting town. If you do come to Prague, it's worth a trek out to here to check it out. Right the way down from the top end, we're now in the modern part. We're just in an Italian, getting some dinner. Ellis is having carbonara, and I'm going for the ham and mushroom pizza. Right, back to the car now.